So here's a update on my Raspberry Pi Game Boy. This is the case that it's going into. So I have a micro USB battery charger, and then that goes to a charging circuit, 3.7 volt to a 5 volt charging boost converter. It only puts out 500 milliamps, I found out, so I have new ones of these on order that output at 1 milliamp. Got the battery here, and the really stripped down Raspberry Pi. All the GPU pins are gone, USB's gone, USB's gone, Ethernet's gone, the audio, video, 4-way headphone jack is gone, the camera attachment's gone, HDMI is gone. I did leave the USB just so I could power it. It's kind of tiny. I also removed the display connector, so it is about as thin as a credit card. I did not quite figure out why this screen was giving me trouble. It's powering okay, but it's a little funky. It's really bad screen, tearing and static and stuff. So I want to hook this up to a known good outlet, or a known good output of something, and see if I can get it working, or see how it works. But in the meantime, I had a spare, and the spare's hooked up 5 volt ground and everything to the Pi, powering off of the same GPIO that I'm powering the Pi off of, plus the video. And if we I did, side note, I did hardwire one USB connection that's going to go into the side of the Raspberry Pi Game Boy, so you can put in thumbsticks and stuff and transfer files back and forth to it. I will probably hook up another of the single ports right here to add an internal Wi-Fi. I might do a second version of these with or a second version of this with a Raspberry Pi 3 that has the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth built in, so I don't have to put a Wi-Fi inside of it. It'd also be a little more power efficient, but everything is up and running as it boots. As you can see, the little Remo square of underpowerment is there. That's an indication that the Raspberry Pi is not getting enough power. But there is emulation station. So yeah, I just have a 360 controller here hooked into a USB hub that has a KVM for my computer for keyboard, the 360 dongle, Wi-Fi plugged in there, so I have a few ROMs on here. Game Boy, the ever classic Tetris. Oh man. I'll slide that right under there. Yay, got all I left. And put NES. I'm not going to be using this one for very CPU intensive stuff. Games, ROMs, that kind of thing. Oops. mainly because the common ground plane that I have is only the AB and directional pad and start and select. So they do make one that has XY button holes, so you drill holes and then you have additional buttons and you need another membrane. So you can do the D-pad XY, start and select, and then you would put buttons on the back for left and right shoulder buttons. So you can do like Super Nintendo games. But I only have the 4, so this is going to be mostly playing well, 2-button consoles. So the NES, the Game Boy Color. You can do Atari with that and that thing. Arcade games that only use 2 buttons, but here is Super Mario. Super Mario World 3, which I probably played the most on my NES when I was a child. This game is the bomb. Oops. I just died. Okay. Anyway, I do have a a amplifier for the sound, so that the amplifier, so I can have decent speakers, and I do have a bunch of audio jacks. So that I can still have a headphone jack, but yeah, I think it's going to come along nicely now that I got most of the electronics working. So yeah, I'm fairly happy with the way this is working. So yep, updates later when updates happen. So talk with you later. Bye.